welcome back to the pink envelope. I am super excited to unbox my spring FabFitFun. Y'all know I love my FabFitFun. I have been with them for years. They are my first subscription box, the box that kicked the addiction off. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I have to ask, what do y'all think of the new logo? I'm so used to the old one. I love it, the old one. This one, I just don't know. I don't know. But I love the colors. I love the box. I'm kind of old school like that though. I can get the groove of loving something and then don't want it to change because it wasn't broken in the first place. But I'm sure they know best. First thing I pull out is a $50 gift card to HelloFresh. And of course, the FabFitFun magazine, the magazine that talks about who's inside, how the box was curated, cool recipes, cool people. I'm not gonna look because then otherwise it's gonna squill what's in the box. So let's dive in. It says share to win, hashtag FabFitFun. Of course. This box gives me hope that spring is actually coming regardless to what the weather's doing. On top, I have Dr. Brandt's Skin Changing Science, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I don't know what an eye depuffing gel is, but I think we're about to find out. I'll try it out and really back. It doesn't have any smell, I don't think. Yeah, I think I've tried one of these before. So there's that. Then I also have the OUAI Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner. A multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth and soften and detangle hair. So y'all all know I do curly girl, so I don't know if this curly girl approved. So if it's not, I won't be trying this out and I'll give it to a friend. But if it is, I will be trying it out. Then I also got the Tula Probiotic Skincare Purifying Face Mask. Let's see if it smells. Doesn't smell like anything. As you're noticing, all full-size items. Then I got the Two Bandits necklace, designed with love in San Fran. Then this is the Giadzzy. Giada made it. Giadzzy? Measuring spoons? Oh my gosh, these are so cute. And I actually really needed these. I had just gotten a new pair for Christmas because all my other ones had disappeared, and then I ground one of them up in the garbage disposal. So, yay! I really, really needed these. Which, FabFitFun is kind of known to do that. Like, read my thoughts. Ooh, this is by Show Me Your Moo Moo. I am a big Show Me Your Moo Moo fan. Love that brand. What is it? It's a pink floral robe. Yo, it's a summer spring robe. If y'all been watching my Instagram stories, y'all know I wear that big pink heavy thing that needed to go, and my kids were like, Mom. So this is super, super exciting. Oh my gosh, this is brilliant. Okay, got myself a much needed new robe. I just freaking love this box. Champagne Charcoal Scrub Exfoliant. And it's called the Relax. Detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. Let's see if I can spell it. Oh, I can't. It's sealed. I don't want to rip it open right now. I'll do a sniff test and check back later. Still more, y'all. Still more. What is this guy? He's cute. The colors are great. It's by Sunny Life, a brand I love. They're the ones who make the big floats, you know, the unicorn and swan and all that. It's a picnic basket. It has silverware and plates inside. Oh my gosh, my kids are going to freak out. Is that the bottom? Okay, yeah, that's the bottom. So normally with FabFitFun, I do select, and I guess my membership tapered off and I didn't catch it. Oops. And I am no longer select. So normally I go in, I kind of curate and pick some of my things, as well as kind of have an idea what's coming in the box. Since I was not select this time, I just got my box like everybody else, and anybody can sign up for select. So this was all brand new to me. I am super excited about the picnic and the robe and the measuring cups and the bath scrub. I just ran out of bath soap actually, so that timing could not be more perfect. I will see about this guy. I am an active user of Rodan & Field, so I usually don't mix products. So this is a 50-50 if I'm gonna try this one out. Once again, this has to be Curly Girl approved because I use the Curly Girl method on my hair. If it is, I will try this one out. And then same thing with this, a purifying face cleanse. I'm pretty strict on the Rodan & Field, so we'll see about that. And I don't wear silver. So normally I am 100% for my FabFitFun box. There's usually nothing I don't like, but I'm always have had Select. So there you go. I am learning the value of Select because I bet I could have traded some of these items out for something I would have liked more. So I'm gonna get off this video and go redo my Select. But the box is $49.99. If you go below and like this video, I will hook you up with $10 off your first box so you can get it for $39.99. It is a quarterly box, so it is a killer deal. If you buy a year in advance, you can still use my coupon. You end up saving like $20 or $30. So I do the year in advance and I add on. That's when you can get Select. Okay, I think that's it. Guys, I freaking love FabFitFun. I do want to see, comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are on this new logo. I am so torn on it and would love to hear what other people think. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. We'll see you later. Bye, y'all.